All right, Jamie Say, and with sports, obviously you've got some big developments with the British Open.
Oh yeah, it's all over. It's all over and done with. Ended a couple hours ago, and it was very exciting as usual. You know, we all hope for one of those perfect days, one of those days when everything goes right. Phil Mickelson had his today. He says he put together the best round of golf in his life, and now for the first time he's a British Open champion. Lefty was 5 shots back of this man, the leader Lee Westwood at the start. Westwood's game goes south right here on 7. Westwood +4 today. He finishes tied for 3rd. Tiger Woods was up there as well, but never got his game together today. Has his worst round of this tournament today. That shot pretty much says it all. As the course chewed up contenders, Mickelson started to conquer it, especially on the back 9. Birdies 13, and people are starting to believe. Then on 17, he just misses an eagle by about 18 inches. He settles for another birdie, but Mickelson takes a 2-shot lead to the 18th hole. And Mickelson caps off a tremendous round and a tremendous win at the British Open with a birdie on 18. Then he's got big hugs for his caddy, big hugs for his family. Mickelson fired a 66 today, his lowest final round score in a major ever. Wins his first Open championship by 3 shots. This, the 5th major victory of his career, and he says this is a day he will always cherish.
This is just an amazing feeling to win this great championship and to play probably the best round of my career. You know, I was getting ready for today, and I just thought, you know, I need to bring my A game today. I just need to bring it. I need to show up and play some of my best golf, and I did.
Tiger Woods did not, and he was not happy about it either. He finished tied for 6th, but the way he was playing, it could have been worse. Or from his point of view, he could have been better.
Today, you know, I had a couple of opportunities to make a couple putts, and I left them short.
His body language out there just not good today. Finishes 6 strokes behind Mickelson. Phil is now up to number 2 in the world. Woods is still number 1. Well, you can cheer on Tiger, but you cannot bark at a police dog. You could be arrested for it. Obviously, this leads to the question that why would anyone bark at a police dog? Ask this Florida Gator why. We don't know. Linebacker Antonio Morrison was arrested early this morning in Gainesville after he began barking at a police dog that was inside a patrol car, which is considered harassment under Florida law. Morrison was also charged with resisting arrest. It has not been the summer of smart decisions by Morrison. He was also arrested 5 weeks ago for allegedly punching a bouncer. Head coach Will Muschamp suspended the sophomore today, says Morrison will miss at least 2 games this year. You see him in action right here, making a big hit in the Florida State game. He was expected to start at middle linebacker, where he could bark at quarterbacks, and that's accepted. Gators open up the season in 40 days. Meanwhile, the Florida State Seminoles start in 42 days, September 1st against Pittsburgh. The Noles began talking about the upcoming season today at ACC Media Day in North Carolina, and their goal is to defend the conference title.
We got a lot of great things ahead of us as an organization. I mean, Coach Fisher, you know, continuously pounding us down to do the right things, and we're trying to get off the field things right and move on to the season and try to represent the ACC once again, you know, as the champions.
So the lesson in all of this, bring your A game to everything you do and don't bark at police dogs.
Who knew? Who knew that was a problem in the first place?
We don't know now. So thanks, Antonio, for showing us. Yes.
All right. We'll be right back.